The breakpoints window is where all GPL breakpoints can be viewed. Breakpoints can only be set in GPL projects loaded into memory. You can access the breakpoint window under the controller pull-down menu. In the breakpoint window, you can double-click on a breakpoint to navigate to the GPL program line where the breakpoint is set. If you add or remove any breakpoints in a GPL program, the breakpoints will be reflected in the breakpoint window. You can select a breakpoint and click on the Remove Breakpoint button. The breakpoint will be removed from the GPL program and the breakpoint list. If you click on the Remove All Breakpoints button, all breakpoints in memory will be removed. In addition to viewing breakpoints, you can also set the breakpoint mode for the embedded controller. By default, the system is in normal breakpoint mode. In this mode, the controller will not do anything special when an exception occurs. If you change the breakpoint mode to break on specific codes, the controller will automatically pause the GPL thread if an exception occurs where the code of the exception matches one of the specified codes. In the break on any exception mode, the controller will automatically pause the GPL thread if any exception occurs. These modes can be used when debugging GPL applications.